look on the video, so you see her, she's like, I'm in the front of the screen, I'm in the view. I do this shit professionally too. Look at her.
Who's going first? You wanna go first?
You go first.
Whoever goes first gets in the middle.
Can I take my shirt off?
No.
Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. That bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. That hoe ain't nothing but a snitch. So fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Bitch, I'm back. I'm on this track. I'm coming at you like a heart attack. You steadily talk smack. Bitch, get back. Fuck you and that hoe sprung on crack.
And I got your bitch on Maury. She say I'm the baby daddy, but all she did was eat me. Yeah, I'm a pimp, slap it like a joke. This it came through. Yeah, I pulled your hoe. Yeah, I pulled a foe. Yeah, I pulled a biscuit. And I don't give a fuck, you niggas hungry for a Triscuit. My pockets deep in linen. You niggas out here winning. You wish you had my style and my swag, but it's endless.
Fuck that bitch. Like I said, fuck that trick. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch. Fuck that bitch.
Tired of messing around, my name is Patrick. Don't like to get close to the phone, I don't act it. I don't give a damn, bitch. I'm about to get crunk. We always getting crazy and we getting drunk. Drinking on the best whiskey and smoking on the best weed. Don't you know that we be running it? We got the money and we ain't even gonna play. I don't give a damn about you bitches, and if you are gay, I will fuck that ass and I'm gonna take it to you. I'm gonna take it to you back to the Rabaruna. That's what I'm talking about, pussy from the south. I love the country girls with the country mouth. Ho, don't you know I like what I do? And I do what I do cause I do it for you. I don't give a shit, nigga, I'm prejudiced. I don't like niggas and I don't like interracialness.
Fuck that
Fuck
bitch.
with me, motherfucker.
Fuck that bitch.
Come look for me.
Fuck
My
that bitch.
motherfucking name is Patrick. Gonna crunk with me, and you gonna get the slow. I'm gonna make your
You heard Patrick go. Fuck that bitch.
Fuck that bitch, man.
Fuck that bitch.
Stupid trick.
Fuck
ugly
that bitch.
Fuck that bitch.
Fuck that bitch.
Stupid trick.
Fucking
ugly
bitch.
Man, fuck that
Stitch.
bitch.
Fuck that
Snitches
bitch.
get stitches. Thrown off in some ditches. I'm on my grind daily and I'm searching for these bitches. Now I'm just playing. These hoes chase me round because they ain't no big deal. He blow on a pound.
A pound at a time it's going down. You got swishers, then you can get found. We talking blow to the ground. Can't make a move, hear a sound. It's going down. Fuck that bitch.
Fuck that bitch.
Fuck that bitch.
Fuck that tree.
Patrick.
One more money, let's make that shit funny. I don't give a damn, I do cocaine too, my nose is runny. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I bust a trigger, I be breaking your bitches and off in big to biggers. I don't even know if that rhymes or if it makes sense, but I'm about to go get up in the cocaine sense.
Fuck that bitch.
Fuck that bitch.
Bitch.